Just a friendly reminder before the cleaning.
Unahin na natin yung Bohol. Tapos 22. Yun ba? Punta na tayo.
Tuna pang na.
Walang
Ocean Jet. Going to right now. Big boat. Oh. Tawala, Bohol, Panglao International Airport. Meron palang airport dito.
Dito ang airport ngayon. West Tagbilaran. Dito sa kuan ng airport sa Panglao.
We're at Oceanica.
Wow! This rainforest is my friends!
Those are your friends?
Are you? Come!
Those are your friends? Do you know them?
Yes. Bahala.
You go down. You go down.
Baka mainit.
Adidas yan.
Oo, diba?
Adi foam tawag.
Foam runner. Meron.
Babs, mag-picture na tayo. Dalihan mo. Para rin. Babs. Love.
Baka singilin na tayo pagka ano. Nagpag-picture na tayo. Si Doc, di bumaba oh. Ganda dito.
Tara, Babs. Dito.
Ang ganda ng sunbrand.
Kaya nga.
Solid nga eh.
Na yung picture ko.
Hi, Panchang. Nalagay ko sa YouTube.
Ano?
Ito. Kasi tignan mo ba't doon hindi white?
Hindi kasi nababasa. Basa yun eh.
Hold my hand. Oh, don't be scared. Tara, hold my hand. Love, come on.
Wait mo yung shadow ko. 1, 2.
Oh, my baby. It's not hot.
1, 2.
Ayusin mo ang picture.
Oh, yummy. Wow, food. Apple. What else do they have? Kamote. Salad. What are those? Egg.
That's fine.
Bread. Yummy. Cake. Hi, Panchang. Yun. There's a fire over there. This place is so nice. Ano? When you grow up, we will go back here. So, dito tayo sa Oceanica ngayon, seafood restaurant. Masarap dito, grabe.
Oh!
Uy, sarap.
There's a big another one!
Yeah. Ouch.
What that? I'm gonna slide down.
You happy?
Yes. I say, are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Gusto nyo magbayad kayo pag-akit nyo lang yan may Chinese.
What's that?
It's all gold.
You gold?
Yes. I have it. I want to put it there. Bye-bye.
You dig it. Si Slash, ayun o, Slash o.
Dalawa yung
Sabi mo nga kuya. Oh. The pretty baby babe, I feel so.
Ito si Slash.
Paano si Slash?
Ito si Slash.
Oh. Oh.
Tatanggalin natin yung pali ha.
Dapat may gitara. Si Slash eh.
Ganyan na, sino yun? Sino yung kanina?
Si Michael Jackson, di
Oh,
ba?
si Michael Jackson yung kanina. Ito. Kita mo si Slash na walang sombrero? Yung
Slash na walang sombrero? Tananananan.
Ito si Slash, wala pang sombrero.
Oh. Yung pang magicero, rock and roll to the world, kuya.
Oh, sa wala pang sombrero si Slash.
Oh. Paano naman yung Michael Jackson? Ay, hindi ka pala si Michael Jackson, rockista ka eh.
Ha? Oh, dalawa na kita mukha, no?
Rock and roll, kuya.
You will come in Bohol.
Where are you? We're here at Baclayan. This church was built in 1595. Come on, let's go inside the church. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Baclayan. Church 1595. Ate, picture. Dito sa gitna ate. Kalamay. Tangga. Who is that, anak? Who is that? Samantha. A big snake?
Hindi ba? First time dito.
Hindi. Ganda nga eh.
pwede nyo itatouch po. Pwede kayong tumabi sa kanila. Ito, busog na masyado. Kumakain yan last night po. Manok po, sir. Native na manok na buhay yung kinakain. Pwede nyo itouch mo, sir. Ito para lang siyang leather.
Natara, you hold them. Come on, you can do it. Oh, come here. Video mo nga kami. Natara, sige, okay. Come here. What color is this?
Oh my God.
Ma'am, picture kayo. Sama kayo doon na.
Nothing will happen to you.
Family picture.
Yes.
Ako na magpipicture.
Yung size niya, laki. Uy! Kinurot ko siya. Hi!
Wow! Ate Yara! What's going on you?
Tara, you feed them. Yes. Dali.
Wala, it's just on you. Babs, lagay mo sa kamay na, Tara. Tara!
You try it again. Kunti lang.
Oh, ganyan. Ma'am, tingin.
Sige na.
Masakit sa kamay. Hindi ko kaya din.
Isang picture lang. Galing natin.
Made forest. Bye.
Boss, kunin mo ako. Gusto niya na.
You wear your slippers muna.
Kinikis niya yung slippers niya.
What is that? A tertiary. Bohol tertiary. Conservation. Oh, picture kita dyan. 1, 2, 3. Ayun na. Sama mo siya, ate. Francine. 1, 2. Francine. Francine.
1, 2, 3.
Papa, where is it? Papa, where is it? Papa, where is it?
Over there.
Where is it? Where is it? I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Oh, this one's me?
Yeah.
Why? Why?
Oh, you dance. Oh, you play with them.
Hindi.
Tagalog po. Tagalog, English.
English.
Wow! Dance, dance. Wow! Good job, Tara. Oh, you go play.
Okay ka.
Tara. Hi. What are you eating? Oh. Small bite lang ah. Pansin. Pansin. Oh, someone's pooping. Are you pooping, Pansin?
Yeah.
Hmm.
A for
Apple.
B
B.
for
Apple.
Apple pa din. Tara.
for
Panchang. Tulog pa din tong isa. Oh.